hawak po natin ang bit eh. Tayo po ang pwedeng magdikta kung anong pag-uusapan. Pero tignan po natin yung interview since May 11. Dalawa lang naman eh. Paano palitan muli si Alan Cayetano? At pangalawa, bakit bumaksak ang dignidad ng ating Senado? Okay. I'm talking in general ha. Pa-isa-isa po, may nagsasalita tungkol sa inflation. Kanina lang po, si Senator Raffy Tulfo ay sinabi nga niya na dapat yung mga importante sa ating bayan. Pero ito pong Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, ang pinag-uusapan po yung 13-11. Pinag-uusapan fireworks. Pinag-uusapan papalitan. I'm at your service and I am at your disposal. Show me 13 hands or 13 signatures. I will even administer your oath if you want to. Ano po ang nasabi po last week? Bumaksak daw po ang Senado. And alam niyo po, kasundo ko si Senator Win. I wasn't joking. I was making him smile, but I would vote for him. Pero sabi niya kanina, ibalik ang dignidad ng Senado. Okay, I'll take it with good faith. Ang problema, Senator Win, yan ang narrative ng minority na simula nung Mayo 11, bumaksak. Sinabi ni Senator Ping, may I allow, and correct me Senator Ping kung mali, sabi niyo yung biruan ngayon, mas mabango pa yung House kaso sa Senate at usually kasi mas mataas ang Senate. I will take exception to that. Why? Because the Pulse Asia, if I'm not mistaken, in December 2019, when I was Speaker and Senator Soto was Senate President, the Senate was 66% and the House was 66%. When I was Speaker, pareho lang po ang trust rating, ang performance rating ng House at saka ng Senado. Bumaksak po ang Senado nung nagsimula po yung flood control. Dahil po, ilan ang binanggit sa minority. Pero ilang beses po sinasabi ng minority, bakit ganon? Kapag ka minority, may insertion daw. Pagka majority, amendment. Una, napakaraming ghost, tapos konti na lang. Tapos si Senator Jinggoy, ganito daw in-insert, tapos nung sinupina ng ombudsman, ang LBRO, yung pong may hawak ng dokumento, wala naman pala. I won't go into that because I do respect the hard work that every single senator, may it be Senator Marcoleta, may it be Senator Erwin Tulfo, or our